Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you how I do my flower nail art. I got these from Moon Goddess Market on Etsy, and I really liked how they came out the first time I did it around, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So basically all you need is your nail decals. I have them already cut up, as you can see here. So these are the ones I chose for today. Some tweezers, a little cup of water, nail polish. So I got this from Nailtopia. This is more of a cream color instead of the pink I originally used. And then this one is the clear top coat. And yeah, we can get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually use the cream polish. I've never used this nail polish before, so this is kind of going to be a first impressions. This first. Okay. Very, very, very sheer, but we can build it up, I'm pretty sure. Because when I saw it on the model, it's exactly what I wanted. So it is suggested with this nail art that you should have a lighter color underneath. I like the pinky color I chose because it was almost like a nude. However, if you want like kind of like that milk bath kind of effect, a color like this would work. It's just a little bit harder because obviously this color is very sheer. But we're gonna work with it because I already paid for it. I'm not one of those people that likes to return things, you know? But again, you can do this with like whatever kind of nail polish you want. That's the first coat. It's not too bad. Hopefully the second coat will be a little bit better. Also, if you haven't noticed, I actually don't get my nails done. I don't go because I don't have the time, nor do I really have the money to do that every week or two or so, so I just do it myself. So this is a great idea for all you frugal girlies. I'm sorry if I sound like a little different. Usually my tone of voice changes depending on my mood. Right now I'm like really concentrating, so it's a little bit harder to kind of just be like dee-dee-dee-dee-dee how I usually am, because obviously when you know what you're doing, you have more confidence in yourself. So this actually doesn't look that bad from afar. Obviously, maybe up close it looks a little funky, but that's okay. I still like how the color came out. Oops. Okay, now this thumb looks a lot better than this thumb. Oops. Oopsies. Maybe I didn't have enough nail polish on the first one. Honestly, if nail polish gets on my nail bed, I don't really care, because when I wash my hands, it comes off. So, controlling what you can control, right? So love the color, looks really good on. If I were to wear it like this plain, I don't know if I would do that. I'd probably do it if like I was at my own wedding, but even at my own wedding I would probably do this. Oops. So we're gonna let that dry completely, because what we're gonna do next is use the water and the decals. So I like to pre-cut mine. Depending on how many you want to put on, I would say cut like 10. Okay, 14. I cut 14 because some of the smaller ones I like putting in with like leaves and stuff, so it kind of looks different. Some people that I've seen like to put it, they like to put like 3 on one fingernail, but I don't have that much room. Maybe like on my thumb I'll do that. But again, also my nails are not the same length right now. Since I've gone back to work, like I break my nail really easily. Usually the length is pretty long, like I would say like my thumb or like these two here. But it's okay because not all of them have to be the same. And I'm the kind of person that's just like, whatever about it, you know, I don't care. So anyways, so pretty much the directions are pre-cut them. Whatever comes out clear, or whatever's white will come out clear. So see how this one is pretty cut, pretty small? Some I left a lot of room in, and that's totally fine. Again, they're gonna come out clear, which is why she says you should have it, you should cut it to where you want it to be. So we're still letting our nails dry. So basically what you're gonna do is dip this in the water for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then when you take it out, what I usually do is like slide it off onto my finger, and then the decal will slide off, and then you can just place it onto your nail, and then you just let it sit there, and you just keep doing it on the rest of your nails, and then you're done. So I let my nails dry properly, and honestly I'm actually growing on the color, but it feels really nice on my nails. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. So I've explained it a little bit before. So basically, let's start with my thumb, just because there's more surface area so you can kind of see what I'm doing. We're gonna go with, gosh, this is hard now. We'll just go with this one first. This one's like a little bit bigger. So we're gonna dip it in the water. Oh, I was gonna say don't let it go, because then it goes all the way to the bottom. So now I have to try to fish it out. Honestly, I didn't need to fill the water that much, so we're just gonna dump this out. Perfect. So, see, so now it's just gonna slide off like that. So now it's on my finger, and then I'm just gonna kind of blow on it so it's not that wet. Now I can just glide it onto my finger, or what I do, sorry, my dog is like trying to walk through the tripod, and then I just lay it down like this. And I gently pat it in. You have to be really careful, because while it's still wet, you can move it around, or it can come off. See how I can just move it like that? So we'll just leave it in the middle, and that's pretty much what you do. That's literally it. I'm gonna zoom in a little. Very simple, very easy once you get the hang of it. And then we're just gonna do the rest. this one here. Yep. Obviously, if you have longer nails, a little bit thicker nails, then you can do a little bit more with design, but this is still fine. And while this is drying, we'll do this nail, and honestly, that's all it takes. When I was first trying to film this, I was like, this is gonna take me forever because I'm kind of like have to run somewhere right after, and you know, usually I paint my nails at night, but I really wanted to film this for you guys and show you how you can have cute little flower, forest, green, cottagecore witch vibes every day on your fingers, because ever since I've done this, it's now my new favorite thing. So that's one hand done. So now we let that dry and we go on to the other one. So now that these are finally placed on, the next move that you're going to do is take your top coat and put it on top so that way it stays on. So I'm using the Nailtopia top coat. And they had a lot of beautiful colors, so I'm really excited to try them out. So I'm going to do this one last because I just put that one on. And we're going to seal it in. Probably could have put another one on here, but it's fine. And that is how you do pressed flower nail art. Very easy, as you can tell. They look awesome and amazing, and it's super different. It's my new favorite go-to kind of nail art now. Like, I don't do nail art, but this is something I will do probably for the rest of my life. I'm not joking. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will post the links on where I got these nail polishes because these actually were really nice, and a link to where you can get these. She also does other nail decals that are really cute. These are just my favorite ones ever since I tried them. So it's very easy, super simple. I think anyone can do it, especially when you're in quarantine right now. Like, why not treat yourself to some nice nails? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you do post this, please tag me and Moon Goddess Market when you get her nail decals, and I want to see what you guys come up with. Okay, have a good day. Bye.